So what unique challenges do entrepreneurs face during times of crisis? Bad news is that many things will be harder. The good news is that with every negative, there is always a positive opportunity. Well, number one, starting your business in a recession will typically result in you starting smaller and staying a smaller business longer. But the benefit, as we touched on earlier, is that it also creates more discipline and focus, which means that your business is stronger, so when times are good, you will grow that much faster and be more resistant to competition or other market challenges. Number two, sales will be harder. Yes, that's true, but it can also be easier. When times are good, prospects won't really have any reason to change. Why should they? Things are good. They are making money. Adopting your solution means work and risk for them. So often it can be easy to get happy meetings or someone to try your product, but hard to get them to actually adopt it. When recession hits, prospects are now motivated to find new solutions that deliver better results for less. Often jobs are at stake and big money is at risk. Number three, marketing is often more difficult, but alternatively, advertising can be much more affordable. Number four, it may be harder to sell luxury items or those nice-to-haves, but it will be easier to sell ROI-based solutions. Number five, starting funding conversations can be difficult, but getting a deal closed may actually be faster. Recessions tend to slow the pace of new startups, which means less competition and a surplus of investment capital that needs to be spent. Number six, you will raise lower amounts at lower valuations. But the good news is that a lot of the costs that you'll have to incur will be lower. Recession means better access to talent at lower rates, cheaper advertising, better negotiating power, and so on. You may not need as much capital as your business plan initially forecasted. And finally, number seven, you need to demonstrate that you can make revenue. But as I said before, if you can prove you can grow your business and make money in a recession, you'll be that much stronger when times are good. So the $64,000 question is, should you wait? Well, why would you? We already highlighted a bunch of companies who crushed it by launching in a down market. There's lots of benefits to going for it in a recession. Now, if you have a luxury offering, then maybe you might want to wait. If you want to maximize valuation, waiting might be a good thing. If you think your window of opportunity is long, well, then you have more time, so you might want to wait as well. If you are shooting for the moon and revenue is a long way out, well, then you have more time to raise larger amounts of capital at a better valuation. Do your due diligence on any investor. Check the performance of the other companies in the investor's portfolio. Stage, success rate, big exits, duration of the current investment fund. This will tell you how aggressive they will be, how desperate, or how comfortable they will be looking at the long term. Create something that people need, something that really solves a problem. You'll thrive when markets are low, and you'll really thrive when markets are high.